Auntie E. He likes it. Every time I say it.
He knows
You like it? You do. You do. You do. Okay, we're so sidetracked. Alright. Time to film.
Oh, Zuki! I didn't even check my face.
You look amazing.
Okay, great. Zuki!
Your face is always on point. My face, on the other hand,
That's not true.
I just put lipstick though.
That's not true.
And guess what I'm wearing? Ooh. Ooh. The giraffe blazer.
Oh, hello. I feel like we're so far away.
We do look far, right?
Maybe we should bring
we're so used to the tripod being
Ooh,
so close.
Zuki.
Did you poop again?
It's a little poop. It's a little poop.
Auntie Adina's getting her training in.
I'm exhausted. I know, I ain't got a titty for you. I know, you looking for it.
He is?
It's just a pop of color. He's like, what's this pop of color? Where's the titty? I figured it out.
She figured it out.
Look at this fake titty. Here's that fuggy titty coming your way. It's a fuggy. It's a fuggy. It's a...
He's like, that is not
It's
my
a
mom's
fuggy.
boob.
It's a fuggy.
Yes, I am breastfeeding, but my left boob has mastitis 3 times now.
Nom 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 nom.
And
Nom,
so
nom,
we've been,
nom.
I've been pumping this side and nursing on this side, so.
It's hard because he knows
pump.
when it's a foogie. He likes the
He's
real
like,
thing.
that is not a boob.
He's a top meat boy.
You guys, I have top meat for the first time. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't love it. But I'm gonna enjoy it for what it is. Look who's making his appearance, by the way.
Is that Zook?
No.
Oh, Oscar.
Yeah, he's right behind you.
Oh. Yeah,
So-
top meat doesn't do nothing unless you're gonna make money with him.
Right, and I can't make money with this top meat with milk going everywhere, and, you know.
There are people into that. If you go to the nasty store, there's an aisle with your name on it.
Anyways, I don't know why we started on this topic. You guys, this is a little bit of an add-on to our special haul series, which, by the way, I should go get the items I forgot to talk about. There were 2 pieces.
How about I didn't even talk about the outfit I was wearing. The outfit I was wearing was thrifted. I mean, from that trip. I didn't even talk about it, and I was wearing it.
No, we did.
We did?
Yes, because I was wearing Aztec too, remember? And you're like, oh yeah.
Oh.
Anyways, I forgot to talk about the red sequin tank top that Edwina found for me.
Oh, that's right.
I love it, and I got it. I also got the Sexy Time black dress. And when we have date night, we will be, I'll be rocking it. Not we will be. Me and Edwina will be rocking that dress.
He obviously wants to kick it.
He does.
See, look, now he's better.
Oh my god, he is! You guys, he's wearing a onesie that Edwina and her boo got him.
We were calling him Ravino, remember?
And he's rocking it. Do you want to show him?
I don't know how to pick him up and show him.
You don't?
Like, how do I?
Okay, so grab him from underneath here
Oh, okay.
between. And then you can securely hold him. Yep, there you go.
Okay.
You guys, look at his onesie. It
Okay.
says Ravino.
How about you want to sit? See, Ravino has a little bird, a little raven on it.
It's
Oh,
so cute.
look at him. This is a good screenshot right here.
Yes.
Zev, you gonna look at the camera?
Look at the camera, Bubba.
Look at the camera, dude. Come on, Zook. Look, Zookie. Zookie, look this way.
He's like, you guys
To the
are
left.
torturing me.
He's like, come put me down somewhere.
This is so weird. We talked about like this moment, but it's weird that it's actually occurring, right?
All right.
Do you feel weird?
Very.
Auntie Edwina. Is that what he's gonna call you?
Yeah. Do I need a name? Do I need to come up
Well,
with
I
something?
used to call you PE. What is he gonna call you?
E. It's gonna be easy for him.
Auntie E. Oh, I like that.
See,
He likes it too.
It's E in the house.
Auntie E.
Mhm.
He likes it. Every time I say it.
Mm-hmm. He
You
knows
like it. You do. You do. You do. Okay, we're so sidetracked.
Hopefully you liked our welcome back to thrifting trip to get you back in the groove.
There was a part 1 and part 2 at Savers. We went thrifting, and it's like nothing has changed.
We be trying to change the model. Like, we're gonna switch it up.
Right.
It's the same nonsense.
It's the same. It's the same us. We haven't changed. But we did film the haul video because we thought it'd be fun, and we didn't have time because my boob was about to pop and I had a cramp in my foot.
Yeah, she needed a banana and a breast pump stat.
Yes. So we hope you like the haul. There will be more thrift adventures because we are in desperate need. We have been like everybody else, although not like everybody else, because we rarely purge. Okay, can we talk about this? People ask us, like, how do we feel about minimalism? How do you feel, Adriana?
I don't know nothing about that.
Yeah, I don't really think about it often.
But it's on my list of I'm gonna get there. But not like to the true minimalism, just better than what I am now.
This one helped me get there. I probably got rid of 12 bags of clothes, and a lot of it is on sale. If you guys live in Vegas, you can head over to HERE Beauty, and a lot of it is in their little boutique they have in the back. A lot of my clothes.
We got a little mini rack in the back that have some cool stuff. Pretty much half of Shayna's closet's back there.
Pretty much. And I know everybody says to put it on Poshmark, but I'll be honest,
we don't got time for that.
I don't have time to do it.
We ain't looking to make money. We're looking to share joy and to look good.
Honestly,
and that's it.
If it was easy, I would just put it in a box and send it to you. Like, if you're like, Shayna, just send it. I would. Honestly, I would feel better about it. I just don't have time to have a store. We have full-time careers.
Oh, he's like all in it.
All in it. He really likes being part of this video. Anyways, but back to what we were going to talk about is just purging in general. We've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. I personally, my whole closet has completely changed.
We've come a long way, and we never really filmed. We were waiting for the right time to film. We've been talking about filming our closets forever.
I do have pictures.
You do?
I do.
I wish I did. I got rid of so much stuff, and my closet looked the same, and I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere, but we were.
We were.
But it takes time. We're still working on it.
We'll still work on it, and there's still going to be some fun videos inside of our closets and some purging. But segue into why we are back here talking to you guys, because we were talking about it, and you guys know we work with SAVERS every once in a while. They'll send us like a gift certificate to give away to you guys, and we have some fun projects coming up with them in the future. We've done videos like Halloween videos,
but this time is different. They reached out to us on a whole different way that we've never even thought of.
Yeah, and it was about decluttering.
Can you imagine? First of all, when you think of SAVERS, that's not what I would think of. So I'm wondering what they're doing.
Well, I mean, their whole point is that if we used to show you guys, if you donate to SAVERS, you get a coupon. They give you a 20% off coupon if you guys didn't know. And then the whole point of SAVERS is they are for profit. They're not a non-profit. And then they actually work with different charities in different states all around the United States. So I am curious as to what they sent. We do not know what they sent.
No.
And they sent it to each of us. So there's a box for Lena, and then there's a box for me. So,
but the one thing we do know is that the best way to declutter is to donate. Like, people
feel good.
Because people don't want to, you don't want to throw things away. Why would you want to throw things away? But there are people in need for the things you're over.
He's like staring at you, dog.
He's like, this is the voice that I've been hearing.
Yeah, he recognizes us.
He likes to hear us talk. Remember when every time we stand by him and we're just talking?
It's like soothing to him. It's soothing to us, so we get it.
So that means we talk too much. Get something sharp.
Okay.
And then don't give it to me.
He's like staring at you.
So look, Zoop, this is what we're about to do. We're about to change our lives. We're gonna purge some stuff and see what SAVERS talking about.
And we're gonna keep thrifting for you, Bubba.
Yeah, because you're already letting them have it. You guys,
on Instagram, I posted some outfit of the dates, and everybody's like, he's already thrifting.
You guys, the baby stuff, the newborn stuff is so brand new because
nobody's wearing that.
And the babies can't even wear all that stuff. They grow so quick, right?
Right.
You over here dookie and Zoop? I feel it. It's okay.
Okay, so I think we got the same stuff, I'm sure. But I'll open this, and then you can open.
Okay. Auntie E gets down.
E. That's so funny you said E, because guess what? My dad wants to be called Pepe.
Oh.
But in French, Pepe.
Yeah. Yes.
And then Debbie wants to be called Didi.
Oh, and I'm E.
And Michelle is Mimi.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's really cute. And then your mommy.
Well, I'm Maman.
Oh, Maman Francais. Excuse me, that's really cute.
He's like...
That's what you've been doing to me all day, but I didn't throw up on you though, right? It's different with no throw up, right?
Okay, here. I'm not gonna look yet. Here. I'll get yours cut.
Okay.
Ready to go.
Should we tell them that we got something special coming in June? We should start talking about it, huh?
We should. So go ahead and do that.
Okay, you know how you guys been missing us and we've been kind of MIAs because we're working on this new show that's finally gonna premiere in June. No backsies. No backsies now.
Well, and let them know that this show is produced, starring, and directed by
Lights Audio is us. But we really tried to bring something different. Did you look at it?
No, I just accidentally flipped it. Okay.
Oh, Zeb, guess what? I have to open the box.
He's smiling.
I know. Because I'm like holding his head perfect. Like so he can sit up. He likes it. He likes this lean. Alright. Now he's not gonna like this because this is the titty move and I'm not gonna give him no titty. Okay, ready?
I like how you're multitasking. It's a nice break, I'm not gonna lie.
It's okay. I'm gonna leave here soon.
No! Okay, ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oops.
Oh. Look at this. Neat-ish. Declutter your way responsibly. Oh, it's a note. Look in the back. Hey, Edwina.
Hey, Shayna. Thanks so much for your interest in learning more about SAVERS. Hashtag Neatish. The new way to declutter that's all about doing it your way. In this box, you'll find
an upcycled bank and Vogue jean bag to gather up your items for donation. A Vogue jean bag?
This bag is made of old jeans that have been given a new chance at life in a useful and reusable bag.
Did you hear that?
Oh my God, so they're talking about this.
Oh my God, look, a Polaroid camera to document and keep your donate process. Oh, it's a sign. They're ahead of us.
You guys.
We're totally inspired.
Rethink, reuse.
Oh my God, Shane, they gave us a Polaroid camera to document the keep donate process. Oh, an Instamix. And it's SAVERS color. It's red. This is pretty cool.
And totally in line with
what we trying to do before this box. This is amazing. What else is on here? More info on how to beat Neatish with tips from SAVERS and Orlando Soria.
A $20 gift card in case you want to hunt for great finds. Okay, in case you want to hunt. For your items to a nonprofit at SAVERS.
Get the crap out of here.
Please remember, if you choose to write about this, make sure it requires that your opinion evaluation is honest. And then you state that you received something from SAVERS. We always do.
We keep it real. SAVERS sent us all of this.
Yes, they did.
And they reached out to us for their hashtag Neatish.
Thank you, Erin. Yeah, we're always honest. You guys know. Maybe too honest.
Erin, we really appreciate it. This is
so fun. Okay, Erin, we have to talk to you because we've already filmed 3 episodes of our new series, which will be airing. Did I tell you the first week of June, you guys? First week of June. So
Friday in June. June 7th, 1st, 3rd.
We'll put it right across here, you guys. First week of June, our new series we've poured our heart and soul into. And maybe SAVERS will get on board with us because this is totally in line with what we're doing with them.
I mean, exact in line. It's gonna all make sense in June.
We filmed it about, oh my God, it's almost been a year.
We've been working on that long? We've probably been working on it longer than a year.
You guys, we have a song that was written and produced for this show.
It's a theme song. You guys remember Family Matters?
Yeah, it's gonna be like TGIF. All right, camera shut off. But we were in the zone, you guys. We were saying Friday day. It's like TGIF, you guys. But we hope that that you guys love it, and it's like everything of Thrifters Anonymous cultivated into one. This is amazing. So they gave us Instax mini.
Oh my God, Shayna, what are the odds? Okay, so in the TA office, I have my Polaroid camera from 1997 in the office.
And I said I really wanted one of these.
And I was like, we'll just use ours. And I don't know if I bought old film from Amazon, but everything keeps coming out like a haunted house. So we know every time we take a picture.
So you know what this means. We have to show our closet now.
Ugh.
And you guys, I got rid of so much, but guess what? You can still get rid of more.
We can.
It's almost like I got rid of it so that now it's the fun part to get rid of the fun stuff. using this. Like I got
That's
rid of
true.
the stuff from 20 years ago. Like,
So we were just talking that we were just buying things. Sasha, get
I know you guys miss this.
Ugh.
This is Sasha, and she never walks by. It's always Oscar.
They all need attention
Oscar's
because Zuki.
But look at Oscar. He's getting his. He's like right behind.
Look at this.
Sashi.
Sashi, get. It ain't about you.
It ain't about you.
Shayna, look at this one.
He loves you, Edwina.
I know he do.
You guys, he's so
done.
comfortable in Edwina's arms.
He's done.
Mm,
But if I put him down, he's gonna wake up.
I know.
My arm's dead. I don't wanna let him go.
That's how you get the biceps. By the way, our fitness journey is gonna be back because I get released on Monday.
And I'm a good friend, and I just got fat for 9 months to wait for
You're so
my
sweet.
friend.
You're so sweet.
So we can get fit together.
You're so sweet. Well, I'm getting fit right now with this breastfeeding, so you better catch up.
I know.
Speaking of, you can only really have one beer if you're breastfeeding. Otherwise, you gotta pump and dump, girl.
Pump and dump.
Well, because the alcohol can be in the milk
I can't get this off
if you
the
have too
shot.
much of it. But I can't have that much because I drink one sip and I'm like, woo! Neat-ish. That's really cute. So put the U in declutter. That's cute.
Can you do me a favor?
There's no one right way to declutter. We want you to and organize your way. Do you a favor for what?
Oh, can you get the pillow for me?
Make reuse a ritual. Your arm hurts, doesn't
The
it?
Zuki pillow. How do you do this all day?
All day. Your arm hurts, huh?
It's heavy, but
Anyways, this video's done. This video's done. We're done. We're gonna, you know what this means? We gotta hurry up and we gotta call Aaron because our show.
This is really, I can't even believe they made this out of old jeans.
This
is amazing.
Well, and it's so, you guys, not only do we have a new series, but you guys, we hope that you're gonna love something we've also been
working on as well.
Anyways,
That will come out too.
so guess what? You guys are gonna see a video. I don't know when.
Look, it says.
And we're gonna take pictures of our closet.
Did you read this?
Yes.
Oh. Ritual, did you read all this?
We're gonna leave some information down below, but you guys, we also have a website, and we are gonna be doing our best to be updating the website, whether it's outfit of the days, ways that we, you know, thrift and different things like that. But I think maybe we'll start with this. And that's our new comeback for our website.
As much as we've decluttered, we haven't like done it full on, and maybe this will make us do it full on.
I did.
I mean, I did too, but I feel like my closet's still ridiculous.
I still have too much stuff, you guys, to where I can't see the beauty because it's still drowning underneath.
Things
the
are still
nonsense.
hidden. Like I'm still looking for stuff because I have a
Right.
blazer on a blazer that's holding
It
the
just
tank top
means
that I can't find.
All that's left is really like the good of the best of the best.
Which is we still need to
And we
purge
still need to
that.
purge. So this is coming soon, you guys. Leave us some comments down below of some of the things you want to see in our closet so we can maybe focus a little bit
They have
more.
a keep
Yes.
and a donate.
And a donate so we can use the cards. We'll
Also-
film this. And you know what this means?
We should have this in the office. We should have 2 boxes.
Do you
a
know what
keep and
this
a-
means?
What does this mean?
You're gonna have to invite me over.
I do. You and Zev can do something for the first time together.
You're gonna have to invite
Come
me
over
over
my
because
house.
guess what? We're gonna have to do this, and then you're gonna come out like Sex in the City, and I'm gonna be like, keep.
Oh my God, we did this for your closet. Remember me, you, and
A
Michelle?
long time ago, before we even filmed.
So Michelle and I had signed, and Shayna would come out and try to convince us why she had to keep her bell-bottom top with these sleeves that were ridiculous. And both Michelle and I were like, no!
Keep and donate.
I love that. We can put that against the wall with 2 boxes. So as we go through the day, we try out things don't fit, toss it.
Or I'm gonna have to come over and you're gonna have to do this because this is what this is all about.
We're gonna need each other's help. I know I need help. Reuse a ritual. We do. We need
All right, this is exciting. Thank you so much, Savers.
Savers, you guys take good care of us always. Shout out to all the management at Savers. You guys do us right. You guys let us do our thing, and we're forever grateful.
And they're gonna love this series too, so.
And the gift card and the camera.
So exciting.
Done.
All right, guys, we love you.
We do.
We will see you in our next video.
Oh, Zuki loves you too, but he is knocked out.
Knocked out. Auntie
Girl,
E.
what's in that milk, girl? Good.
I don't know. Have you had some of it? Bye, guys.
Bye. Oh, Zuki, do.